How to make a one-time payment in American Express online services. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open American Express official website. As you can see, if you're ready to make a payment, you can expect to receive your statement approximately every 30 days. Your statement will include your payment due date for that month. You can click on Login at the top right corner of your screen and then select Payment. After you've selected Payment in here, choose the bank account on file. Then select the payment amount option you want. Then choose the payment date. After that, you can review the payment summary details and stop before final submit. If also, make sure your confirmation of appears after submitting. After you do that, you can confirm make a payment and you're good to go. This is how to make a one-time payment in American Express online services. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.